Now where my client don't promise to send me $1,000. Like this now. Now to snap my real face, send for her. Tell her to add something on top. Even if it's recharge card. So that it go dey easy for me to...
Excuse me, sir. Please, what is your advice to the coming generation?
Make them no come.
You go see my videos for TikTok, you no go like them, you no go comment, you no go even follow me. My brother, what thing I do you? Oh yeah, just follow me. Follow me now. Okay, you know what? Follow me. Oh yeah, comment. Oh, you don't want to comment. Oh yeah, like my video. Just like my video.
You don't pay. Where no one they could be paid. Right now, I'm happiness consigning. Happiness consigning.